Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Kay Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to unveil a product that has been recently launched, and this product can be for you if you are someone who are doing full-time job of video editing, or maybe creating videos, or maybe if you're beginner to it. And the product name is AI Video Pro. To make it more clearer, let me just tell you some more details. It is a brand new software that creates traffic generating and eye-catching videos using the AI technology, artificial intelligence technology, CHATJPT. And we all know that CHATJPT is the trending one of the time. This way you can create effortlessly tons of videos, and the videos could be for YouTube shorts, and that can help you generate tons of traffic, and eventually you can skyrocket your sales. Isn't it so interesting? So here are some exclusive free bonuses you're gonna get with AI Video Pro. This is the list of bonuses and you have to pick only 2 out of them after purchasing AI Video Pro. So guys, there is an email address flashing on the video, supportandinnovatives.freshdesk.com, where you have to send an email to the owner, and then you will get an access to the bonuses, because bonuses are literally exclusive and not common to everyone. So they have not been added in the members area of the software.
So guys, there's a link down in the description box of this video. If you can click the first link out of it, then you will reach to the sales page of this product that looks like this. Okay, so it starts with the introduction. The world's only true AI, artificial intelligence powered video maker, simply enter any keyword and hit go for viral traffic getting shoots in 60 seconds. No tech skill, video creation or experience needed. So there are further details and further elaborations regarding this software that has been mentioned here. Zero tech skill, experience of video creation needed. Create dozens and even hundreds of profitable high quality AI powered short videos with one click, and much more. And by the way guys, the very important point regarding this software is the amount you have to pay. It is extremely discounted and low price. So guys, if we talk about the price of this product, which is extremely discount, I must say, and the upfront amount you have to pay is $17. And by the way, there is little more discount on it, on this $17. There will be another window popped up on the screen. You can even get further more discount of $5, and the amount you will have to pay is, click here to claim your $5 discount. When you click on it, then you will reach to this page, to the purchase page. You can even get further discount, and then you will have to pay only for $12.90, and this discount is available for limited time until the launching has been ended, and it's like 20th of this month, that is tomorrow. Okay, so I would never like any one of you would lose such an amazing opportunity. So go get this product guys and enjoy the benefits out of it. So now we are proceeding towards the members area of this product to see the more details of the options that are available in this AI Video Pro. Okay, so let us log in first with our login details. I have already inserted the login ID and password in it, and I'm gonna sign in it. So this is the dashboard of AI Video Pro. Okay, so on the left hand side you will see a lot of options that starts with dashboard, and there is an intro video. If you click on it, then you will get an introduction regarding this video. So
hey my friends, welcome to
you will easily get an access to this video, and then you can watch and you can go into it and understand more details about this product. So guys, to know more about the functionalities and the features of this product, like how it helps us create an eye-catching and professional videos, unlimited videos in very lesser time, so let us click on this option, AI video creator. Okay, so first we will click on the create video. Okay, so first of all, let's say your title or your niche is let's say dog training. Let's write dog training. Click next. Resolution, you have to put of course let's put the maximum resolution 1080. Next, the content. So here you have to mention some keywords here, like how to train dog at home. Search. Now this is the next generation AI technology, that is ChatJPT is working to create the content. So let's see what comes out. So this is the related content we are able to we are receiving through the artificial intelligence technology. Establish a positive training environment. It is important to make the environment safe, comfortable, and encouraging for your dog. It should be in an area that is free of distraction, in a place where you can your dog can focus on learning and building on a bond with you. I mean, see the points, they're really professional and they're really meaningful. So I really did not have to struggle to write the content or to make the bullet points out of it. So this is the ready-made content, the related content I am having now. Now I will just select it all. And I will paste it here. Sorry, I missed this one. Okay, and now what I will do, let's say if I want to do some editings, okay, it's again up to me. Let's say if establish a positive training environment, if I want to keep it separate as a topic, and the next is start with basic commands. Next, and incorporate treats. I'm just doing a little more editing just to make it more professional. Okay, it's up to me. I can just consider the same content that artificial intelligence has made for me. It's again up to me. Okay, so this is the content. Now let us do next step. So here I am supposed to do to select the font I want. Okay, so the font that I really like is monospace. And let's say I want it to change the color. Okay, what color I'm gonna use? Let's say pink color. Okay, and that would be the font color. Okay, let's say I want to change it to blue. And video background color, if let's say I keep it like black. Now let's do next. So here I can add any of the voice, female, amber, female area, any of the voice I want. So let's say I want to do this one.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
Let's say I want to do this one. Okay, next. Now you can also add the background music. Let's say the background music, select from here. If I'm changing, let's say Stranger Thing, even you can hear also from here if you want to play and see what kind of voice is this. Let's say I want to keep this music. Okay, create video. Sorry guys, it's taking a little time. Maybe my laptop is going a little slow because I have so many softwares that are working in the background. Yeah, so my video has been generated and here is the video. Dog training, blah blah blah, MP4. Okay, so isn't it so easy and simple? Okay, and now if you want, let's say if you want to watch the video, okay, click on this. It will get downloaded in your desktop. Double click on it and let's see how does it looks.
1. Establish a positive training environment. It's important to make the environment safe, comfortable, and encouraging for your dogs.
So this is the video that has been created, but as you can see, the audio, the music in the background is a little higher than the voice of the lady who is speaking, who is reading the content, who is delivering the content. Okay, so now we can just do some editing is per our requirement, and to do editing we will have to click this edit video. So let us edit this video by clicking this edit video option. Here, as you can see, there are the options on top, like you can add text or edit text, you can increase or decrease the speed, you can trim the video, you can change the images, and then you can do or you can play with the video, and as well as you can change the background music from here. There are multiple of options. You can just edit them and then you can update. After doing this, you will be able to change the volume of the music, or if you are not happy, if you are not liking the background music, even you can change it also as well from here. Now if we can see further options, here is an option that this can help you create texts as well. AI text creator. Let's say if you wanna write something over a topic that is like weight loss, write the topic that is weight loss, and then you do create. So here is a text that is like, if you are looking to lose weight, the most important thing is to make healthy lifestyle changes, including increasing physical activity and eating healthy food like fruits, vegetable, and whole bread. It's something meaningful content that is showing us. You can regenerate as well. I'm trying to click on it and see what other content it's going to show, and that is, see, he is showing and the software is showing us tips like in the bullet form. Track your calories using an app or online food diary can help you keep track of how many calories you're eating and burning through exercise. Second is eat protein, avoid sugar, stay hydrated, eat your veggies, get active. Everything is in an organized manner. Nothing is like unorganized. If we want to create some voices, we can make voices as well by clicking new voice. Here you can mention the title and then the language and everything. You can just select and then you can generate the voice as well. So options are really transparent, and it's really helpful software. Okay, even if we want to merge any audio, then also we can do that. Here are few audio merges already have been done. If you want to do a new one, click on create, and then all the steps are really easy, and it's just you have to click and then you will easily merge and generate. Next option is agency user. Sorry, I am not sure about this option. What is it all about? The next option is reseller. If anybody wants to do the marketing of this software, then click on the reseller option, and then here you will be able to request your affiliate link, and you will be redirected to Warrior Plus, and then you can easily get your affiliate link from there, and then you can easily proceed for the marketing of this product, and you will get 100% commission for every sale you made through your affiliate link. We will not take any amount from that. Isn't it amazing? You can upgrade as well. So this was the whole inside and out of this this product, or of the members area of this product.
So guys, this is a complete inside and out of the software. There is AI Video Pro. How easily, by simply inserting some keywords, can help you generate an eye-catching and a professional video for your YouTube shorts as well as other social medias, and that way you can easily drive millions of traffic and skyrocket your sales. It is not a secret that YouTube shorts videos can reach millions of traffic in no time. You can check it out, the link in the description box, and open it and go into some more details if you want. Purchase a product and enjoy it. So this was the complete review of the product AI Video Pro. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you have any query, you can comment down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for watching my other such videos in the future. I hope to see you in some other video on the same channel. Till then, bye.